It's my own piece of blue sky. My idea is to lease the rights to clear cut the forest from the timber owners and let them selectively log. So what would be paid for this lease would be the differential between the cost of clear cutting versus selective logging. This would be This site has a really fine mountain soil which would grow ginseng very well and other crops like this. So let's take a little look at where we are here. We're on Stewart Mountain, and we're in this saddle where it levels out on the flank of the Olson Creek Valley. See where the contours level out here, and there's quite a bit of land here which is amenable to agriculture. I have the soil overlay here, and you can see various soils. The soil that we're on now is a squalicum gravelly loam, and that occupies about this area here. And crops like ginseng and other high-value medicinal plants can provide as much as 200 cropping, say 200 acres on Stewart Mountain. We could get enough lease income from the land to lease as much as 50,000 acres, taking that out of the clear-cut situation. These are ginseng plants. These are the kinds of plants that you can grow in this type of situation. They're a native of the hardwood forest in the East Coast in the case of this species. Plants which can be grown in the forest understory, quite valuable. For example, we have a display of some of these materials here. Here is a ornamental material that can be kept around the house as decorations. Here are some examples of medicinals that can be taken from forest plants. White willow bark, which is a medicinal plant, a source of aspirin actually. Siberian ginseng, which grows in the north, and smilax, also another medicinal plant. Here's a sample of ginseng roots again, $50 a pound. Here are some teas made from leaves and fruits of native plants, which are actually quite good products. Here we have camas bulbs, a edible bulb which is good for flowers and for eating, very high price, $15 a pound. Grows at the edge of the forest in the meadows. I'm Richard Hard, and this is Arnie Klaus, director of Puget Sounders.
And I guess we're here to explain why forest understory agriculture has value to the Puget Sound region. We're looking out over a really beautiful, low coastal forested area right next to the Puget Sound waters overlooking the San Juan Islands. It's a beautiful place to give an example of what we are trying to do with an Understory Agriculture Conference.
For more